The very important point about the regular expression is that we can have a special attribute called flag that I've mentioned on my PPT. So one of the flags that I've used it line number 23. What was that? re.I. So usually what happened by default Python is case sensitive, correct? So capital letter Dhoni is fairly different from that of the small letter Dhoni. Both are different. That's what have happened at line number 23. So let me run this program without this. Output says attribute error. Why attribute error? It says it is of none type because you're trying to find a word whether it is the first word of a given string, but it is not because the letter alone getting matched, but not the cases. Since Python is case sensitive, you're gonna end up in getting this obvious error called attribute error. Okay, but in Python, we do have that privilege. What is the privilege? You can forget about this kind of case sensitiveness. How? By declaring that inside re.I. So when I run this specific code, you can see it, right? Output is coming. Even though I kept a different, cases of string, still it is getting matched. Why? Because I've included a flag called re.I. Since I've included this, what does it mean? I can able to match. So what is generally match? Match is the special function of a regular expression is to check whether that particular word is the first word of your given string. Okay.